Good morning, everyone. My name is Horace, and I'm from Technical Writing. Today, I'd like to illustrate a little bit about comparisons between Facebook and Instagram on security issues. As we all know, Facebook and Instagram shares the top two users in the entire US. There are certain things in common, and what I pick is security and privacy. And so in this case, if you want to follow someone on either of the social media, you need to type their name in the searching button, like here on Facebook and here on Instagram. The reason why Instagram is more outstanding is people normally don't use their real name when doing registration. But for Facebook, in most of the cases, they have to use the real name since it is basically a social network in the town. I mean, if you don't use a real name, it gets harder for someone else to find you, which indirectly lowers down the security and privacy. For Instagram, it provides you a unique field that you can talk and follow the friends you want to talk and follow, giving you more privacy without being exposed to and disturbed by someone you're not familiar with. Generally, in this case, Instagram did a better job than Facebook. For future improvement, since we cannot change the type that is to use real name in Facebook, I suggest, is that possible for the users to set privacy for themselves so that not everyone can find them online? There isn't a single person that expects to see 1,000 people trying to follow you one day when you wake up, right? So if we can set up privacy, we can do the following face-to-face, which guarantees the chances to be disturbed must be narrow. If you are a Facebook user, you might find this privacy setting up function useful because it provides you less chance to be disturbed. And that's all. Thanks you for watching.